La pegamos ya, la jalo. Ya.
I am in four-wheel drive.
Yeah?
Oh, no, I fucking wasn't. Fuck!
Four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive.
Fire straight, fire straight. Hold on.
Why is my truck smoking like that?
Huh?
Why is my truck smoking like that? Probably fucked something up, huh? Probably. Alright.
It's cold out now, you've been sitting.
Yeah, I got my foot on the fucking brake and the e-brake's on.
Hey.
Oh!
Yeah, one road right here. Hold on.
I know, I'm just fucking keeping my engine up.
Jesse, this is fucking dirty.
I'm fucking dirty, dude. I'll buy you a pitcher of beer. Get this truck out.
What? Okay, let go. He's going over. Yeah. He might have to stay on until he hooks up. He can go up and turn around and there's a flat spot there.
Stay to the left. Stay to the left. Hell yeah. Look at that thing. Hey, am I gonna fall in?
No. Go. Stay in the truck, just.
I am, dude.
Turn your lights. Oh! Turn your lights.
I am.
I can't get to the winch from here.
I know, I had to go all the way underneath it.
Kyle, give me a hand.
Kyle, get down here. What are you doing?
Get the winch. Oh, you got it. We're going to try to pull your front end up.
Alright. Fuck, yeah, I don't like how it's smoking so much.
No, es como te digo. Mira, como te digo, pones aquí, ya va a enfrentar la camioneta. Para allá no la vamos a poder hacer. Se va a meter más.